Hello and welcome to this class. Now, in this class, we'll be talking about UTME question number 23. In this question number 23, we'll be talking about sets. It's actually interesting and easy to solve. Now, in a class of 50 students, 40 students offered physics and 30 offered biology. How many offered both physics and biology? Now, you were given the total number of students in a particular class. So it's total number of students. The number of students is equal to 50, 40. Okay, sorry, 50. So we have 50 students. Now 40 students offered physics. So the number of students that offered physics is equal to 40. Physics, then 30 offered biology. So the total number of students that offer biology is the number of students that offer biology only, right? I write it as biology. Now I said, how many offered both physics and biology? How many offered both physics and biology? Now we'll be using formula of union for two sets. Now, formula says that total number, so you can say P union B. Now it is equal to, right? It's equal to total number of students that offer physics. That's N, right? Total number of students that offer physics plus total number of students that offer biology. Then minus N, bracket P intercept B. Now, this total number of students in the class, this is the total number of students in the class. All of them, that's what we call the P union B. Then this is the total number of students that offer physics plus the total number of students that offer biology. Then minus the number of students that offer both physics and biology, that's the intercept. That's they offer physics and also biology. The total number of students in that class is 50. And we substitute, instead of writing this, we write 50 equal to the number of students that offer physics is 40. You write 40 plus the number of students that offer biology is 30. You write 30 minus. Then the total number of students that offer both physics and biology is unknown. So what are we going to do? We just put it there as N over open bracket P intersects B. Right? Then we solve this. We add this one. We have 50 equal to 40 plus 30 give us 70. So this is minus N open bracket P intersect B. We add N. We have N open bracket P intersect B to both sides. Add it to both sides. So what we have here is 50 plus N open bracket P union intersect B equal to, when this minus this plus this will give us 0, right? So what you have left will be 70. What you have left is 70. And the next thing, you subtract 50 from both sides. Remember, what you're looking for is this value. So if you subtract 50 from both sides, you'll be left with N P intersect B equal to 70 minus 50. I subtract 50 from both sides. Now 70 minus 50 will give us 20, right? Therefore, the total number of students that offer both physics and biology are 20 students. Therefore, 20 students offer both. 20 students offer both physics and biology. So this is the answer. 20 students that offer both physics and then the biology. I believe you enjoyed this class. If you enjoyed, give us a like and follow. Make sure you share so that others can be able to benefit from this interesting class. Thank you.